The topic here is approximation. When you see approximation, what you come into your mind is rounding off numbers. It's rounding off numbers. That's what we do when we approximate. In approximation, we round off numbers either to decimal places, either to significant figures, etc. So we can round off numbers to places of decimal. We can round off numbers to significant figures. We can round off numbers to nearest whole number. We can round off numbers to nearest tens, to nearest hundred, to nearest thousand, to nearest 10,000, as the case may be. For a number such as 0.83561, if this number is to be rounded off to a certain decimal places or to significant figures, then you must understand that numbers from 0 to 4 are numbers that we round off to 0, and numbers from 5 to 9 are numbers we round off. We round them off to 1. What does it mean? That if I want to take this number to different places of decimals, I will have to consider this. If I see a number that is between 0 to 4, I take it as 0. If I see a number that is between 5 to 9, I take it as 1. Let's go. Let's see how we can take this number to 1 decimal place, to 2 decimal place, to 3 decimal place, and even to 4 places of what? Decimal. Let's go. Now, if we say 1 decimal place, it means we are going to be having one number before our decimal word point. So if you have the decimal points, you count just one number. When you count this one number, you look at the next number. And when you see this number, you'll be asking yourself this question. Is this number between 0 to 4? If it is between 0 to 4, you round it to 0 and add it to this number. So 3 is a number between 0 to 4, so we'll round it off to what? 0. If I add 0 to 8, I will still have what? 0.8. So this is what? 1 decimal word place. Now let's see 2 decimal place. I will count what? 2 number, because I need to have 2 number before or after what my what? Decimal word point. So we'll count 2 number 1, 2. The next number we have is 5. Is 5 between 0 to 4 or is between 5 to 9? It's between 5 to 9, so we are rounding it off to 1. We take this 5, we round it off to 1, we add it to this what? 3. So that will be giving us a plus what? 1. So we'll be having 0.84, because 1 plus 3 will give us 4. That's 0.8 what? 4. This is what? 2 decimal word plates. And if we are going to be taking what? The 3 decimal plates, we are going to count again 1, 2, 3. The next number is what? 6. And 6 is between 5 to 9. That is the number we're going to round off to 1. We round it 6 to 1, we add it to this place. That gives us what? A plus 1 again. So we're going to be having 0.83. 1 plus 5 will give us 6. So that will give us 0.8 what? 3, 6. So this is 3 what? Decimal place. Let's see 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. The last digit is 1. And when you look at 1, it's between 0 to 4. And it's a number we round off to what? 0. When I round it off to 0, we are adding 0 because 0 is nothing, giving us back 0.8356. So these are 1 decimal place, our 2 decimal place, our 3 decimal place, and our 4 decimal word place. So that's for decimal place. Let's look at significant figure. 0.008356. We are going to be rounding this number to 1 significant figure, to 2, 3, 4, and 5 significant word figures. For this number, which we want to round to significant figure, we are going to start counting from the number that is not 0. which is from the non-zero what digit. And to one significant figure, we are not going to move our decimal place like we did in the first one. We are going to be counting the number from the number that is not what? 0. So for one significant figure, I will just have to count one number. Look at this 3. This 3 is the number we take as what? 0, because it's between 0 to 4. When you approximate this one to 0, add to 8, it remains what? 8. So answer will be 0.008. So this is what? One significant word figure. Now to two significant figure, we are going to count 1, 2. The digit 5 is the number we approximate or round off to 1. We add to 3 becomes 4. That would be 0.0084. And for three significant figure, we count 1, 2, 3. The number 6 is the number we round off to 1, add to 5, it becomes what? 6. And we're going to have 0.00836. If you look at this number, if this number was to be in decimal, this is 3 places of what? Decimal. This is 4 places of what? Decimal. And this is 5 places of what? Decimal. So there is difference between what? Significant figures and decimal what? Places. So you should take note of this when you are rounding off numbers to decimals or to significant